We're starting this project inside Photoshop with a clear design objective. The goal is to build a business-ready visual using a professional workflow, keeping accuracy and consistency as the priority. Photoshop opens and the workspace is prepared for a precise design session. Today, the focus is on gradient presets, a subtle yet powerful tool for professional business visuals. Rather than creating gradients from scratch, presets offer reliable, consistent color flows that elevate the overall look without distracting from the message. In business design, consistency is critical. Every visual asset must communicate the same tone and professionalism across platforms. Starting with the